What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the sun visor on this 2015 Chevy Silverado. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. Just grab the front, pull that out like that, slide it away. Just going to take a pocket screwdriver, get under this trim piece right here, unlatch it. Some clips that hold it on. Slide that off there, and then you can slide that out. And there's 3 screws in here. We're going to remove those 3 screws with a T15 on an extension and a ratchet. Alright, now when I'm taking the last one out, I'm going to hold the visor so it doesn't fall. And slide that out. Now if your visor had a mirror here with a light on it, then you would have a connector with some wires on it. You'd have to disconnect the connector, but this one does not have that. And now we can do the same with the other side. Now I'll take this visor, get this lined up in position. Sometimes it's easier to click it in, but I'm going to start the screw first. Just take a T15 and an extension and the screw. Get one of those started, grab another one, get this started. All right, once those are all started, then we can just take the ratchet and snug them up. We can move this in this position. We'll take this little trim piece. It's going to go over that and then click in place. We can lock it in. Now I'm going to do the same with the other side.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.